In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a power-up on Optro Vendor. This is an important step before you can add monetization to your power-up. So first of all, you need to set up an Optro Vendor account. If you don't have one, it's easy to get up and running. Just click on the Create Vendor Account link underneath the login screen and follow the steps within. Now, in this demo, I'm going to log in with my existing Optro Vendor account. And once you've logged in, you'll see the dashboard page. This gives you some basic information about the statistics on your account and the next steps you can take to complete your account. So from here, in order to create a new power-up, I'm going to click on the Power-Ups tab, and that's going to give me two options here. One is creating a power-up from scratch, and the other one is integrating with an existing Trello power-up. So to start creating a power-up based on our existing one, what I'm going to do is click on the second option here. And I'm going to enter the name of my power-up. So notes for Trello, and a description. As you can see on the right here, we've got a preview window which shows us what our power-up's going to look like within Optro. So as I scroll down, I can see there's the next section, product images. So I'm going to select a banner and an icon, and those correspond to these two images on the right. So let's choose a banner. The editor gives me a chance to crop, preview, and put some metadata on each image that I upload. As you can see, the banner's now been updated, and I'll similarly do the same for the product icon. Let's just drag my icon in, make sure I'm happy with it, and click upload. And there you go. I've got my preview on the right there. So the next thing that you'll see is if our power-up is already published, we can click on this box, and that will let us quickly pre-fill the power-up ID from a list of all of the publicly available power-ups. But in this scenario, my power-up isn't yet available publicly. It's available on a tunnel because I'm developing it locally. So in order to find out what my power-up ID is, I need to go onto the Trello website. So let's open up a new tab and go to trello.com/powerups/admin. And this will take me to a page with all of my power-ups available, and I'm going to click on the one that I want to create a new app for, and I'm going to copy this identifier here into my clipboard. I'm going to go back to the Optro Vendor site and paste this ID in there. And that's how Optro knows what power-up this is linked to within Trello itself. So as you can see, I've filled in all the details. I'm going to click Create Power-Up. And one of the critical things that creating a power-up is going to give you that you're going to need later on is your Optro API key. So if I scroll down on this page, you'll see View Power-Up API Key. And if I click on here, this will show me my power-up API key for Optro. So you should copy that into your clipboard. So at this point, you've created your power-up in Optro, and you're ready to move on to updating your source code with the monetization elements, which we will cover in the next video.